Essential tips to keep your clothes clean and stylish. Learn fabric-specific cleaning techniques, how often to wash items, and why cleaning clothes as a set preserves your personal style. Keeping clothes clean. Tips and tricks for every fabric. Hey there! So let's chat about something we all deal with but often don't give enough thought to: keeping our clothes clean and in great shape. Whether it's your favorite cotton tee or that elegant wool blazer in your wardrobe, different fabrics call for different cleaning techniques, and understanding how often to clean each piece can seriously extend its life. First up, why does it matter? Well, beyond looking good, taking care of your clothes properly saves you money and helps keep your personal style sharp. You don't want your clothes fading unevenly or shrinking because you tossed a delicate sweater in with your jeans, right? That's why one golden rule stands out: always clean an entire suit of clothes together. This means if you have, say, a matching blazer and trousers, wash or dry clean them as a set. Otherwise, the colors will fade differently, and next thing you know, what looked like a sharp ensemble turns into a mismatch of shades. Different fabrics, different rules. Cotton and linen, pretty tough fabrics, so they can usually be machine washed. But be careful. Use cold water to prevent shrinkage and color fading. Wash when really dirty or after a few wearings if you're sweaty or stained. Wool and cashmere. These luxe fabrics need much gentler care. Avoid the washing machine unless the tag says machine washable. Hand wash with cold water and a mild detergent, or better yet, take them to a professional dry cleaner. Wool suits should be cleaned only a few times a year, unless heavily soiled. Silk. Delicate and prone to damage, silk often requires hand washing with cold water and gentle soap, or professional dry cleaning. Overwashing is a no-no. Silk benefits from airing out between wears and cleaning sparingly. Synthetics, polyester, nylon. These tend to be durable and can be machine washed. Just watch out for heat as it can damage the fibers. Wash after every few wears unless you have stains or odors. Denim. Surprisingly, denim is best washed sparingly to keep that deep indigo color intact. Spot clean when you can, and wash your jeans inside out in cold water when needed. Avoid tumble drying because it wears out the fabric quicker. Hand washing versus dry cleaning. What's the deal? Hand washing is pretty straightforward. Fill a basin or sink with cold water, add a gentle detergent, and soak your piece briefly. Gently swirl it around, don't wring or twist, and rinse thoroughly. Then lay flat on a towel to dry. Never hang knits because they stretch out. Dry cleaning, on the other hand, is a professional service that uses solvents instead of water to clean fabrics. It's the safest bet for suits, delicate silks, and structured garments. A good dry cleaner knows which chemicals preserve fabric fibers and colors without causing damage. Plus, some items come back pressed and looking brand new. How often should clothes be cleaned? Everyday basics, t-shirts, underwear, after each wear. Jeans and outerwear, every 3-5 wears unless dirty. Dress shirts and blouses, after 1-2 wears. Suits and jackets, after 4-5 wears, or sooner if visibly dirty or smelly. Delicate items, silk, lace, only when necessary. Remember, overwashing can wear clothes out faster. Not every piece needs to be tossed in the washer after a single wear, especially if you're just sitting at a desk all day. Wrapping it up. Keeping clothes clean isn't just about hygiene, it's a part of personal style. The way you care for your wardrobe reflects your attention to detail and enhances your overall look. For anyone looking for personal style tips for women or men alike, paying attention to fabric care can make a world of difference. If you're interested in more personal style inspiration and looking to master that luxe look without breaking the bank, check out Luxe Looks by Mia Winslow. This book offers fantastic insights into affordable luxury style that anyone can achieve. Buy now and discover affordable luxury style that elevates your wardrobe and your confidence.